Chinese scientists have discovered a cure for diabetes. Diabetes is considered an incurable disease. Diabetes is a chronic disease that cannot be cured once it is diagnosed, rather it can be controlled with the help of lifestyle habits and medicines. But scientists in China have made a surprising breakthrough and reported the first cure for diabetes. In fact, Chinese scientists succeeded in curing a 59-year-old diabetic patient from this chronic disease through cell therapy, the results of which have now been released. According to a report by the South China, the patient began treatment in 2021 and has been drug-free since 2022. A common habit of most people today that increases the risk of life-threatening diseases like cancer. This experimental treatment involves creating artificial cells in the pancreas that produce insulin, which help control blood sugar levels. The report stated that the patient involved in the study had been suffering from type 2 diabetes for 25 years. And that his pancreatic cells had almost completely lost their function, while the risk of serious complications was greatly increased, due to which he had to take daily many insulin injections were required. Researchers at Shanghai Chongqing Hospital developed this treatment and reported that the patient's risk of serious complications from diabetes was greatly increased, so we decided to try the experimental treatment. The cells were transplanted into the patient in July 2021, after 11 weeks he no longer needed insulin injections. The dose of oral drugs was gradually reduced and after 1 year their use was completely discontinued. Even after that, the patient's health was monitored. And it was discovered that the functions of his pancreatic cells were completely restored. Now this patient is free from diabetes for 33 months. For this treatment, the researchers transplanted the patient's blood mononuclear cells into pancreatic cells. The results of this study were published in the journal Cell Discovery.